Welcome to the introduction for how to lose weight when nothing else is working. My name is Andrea Jones, and I'm a registered health coach and weight loss expert and a member of the Canadian Health Coaching Alliance. Like many of you, I have struggled with weight issues for years, trying to find the right diet that would work for me, but nothing worked. I would lose weight and then I would put it back on. Finally decided that I'd had enough when I was tipping the scale at over 260 pounds. I needed to change what I was doing, find a different way, since counting calories, counting points, and low-fat diets weren't working or sustainable. Over the last 18 months, I have lost over 55 pounds and have been successfully keeping it off. I feel healthier, I have more energy, and overall I just feel better. I've gotten back off the couch, back to playing squash, and doing more of what I love to do. If I can do this, so can you. What I learned was the key to effective weight loss is that weight loss always begins with your mind. Yes, you heard me right, your mind. How you think about things really impacts the outcome. Imagine by changing your brain and how you think, you can actually lose weight. If you think positive thoughts, you can actually shift your life. It's not about the calories or the fat content or counting points. It's really about how you think about you and your weight loss. Don't get me wrong, you do need to put healthy food into your body, but that is only a portion of the solution and not the largest part. What most people don't realize is that how you experience life is really about just two things: what you are doing and who you are being. For example, what you eat is actually only 25% of the experience. How you are eating, being mindful when you eat, enjoying the experience is actually 75% of the experience. If you want to make a change, you need to shift to who you are being when you actually eat. Your mind and your body are always playing a game. Yes, you heard me right, a game. And here's the key. You always win the game you're playing. Whatever your mind thinks and believes, your body will make come true. For example, if you keep telling yourself you can never seem to lose that last 10 pounds, you will be right. If you tell yourself that every time you lose weight, you always put it back on, you will be right too. What if you changed your game? What if you told yourself, I can lose weight and keep it off for good? What do you think would happen? If you do the steps that I outline in my program, you can expect to experience weight loss of 5 to 10 pounds or more, clear thinking, manage your stress better, but most importantly, you can change your thinking. So let's change the game you are playing. Let's change what you think and let your body follow through. My name is Andrea Jones, and if you are ready to change your life, register for my program now. Thank you.